对面的医生让我去取眼球。当我望向他时，我看到他十分恐惧的眼，他的眼皮还在动，他是活的。
My sister loved singing and danced well. My sister was kidnapped by police.
My brother and many practitioners benefited from the practice that made them healthier and better people. He said he would contact me again, but I never received any call from him.
There was nothing in the criminal code that said it was an offense to be a Falun Gong practitioner. Jiang Zemin simply decreed that it was.
Falun Gong teaches truthfulness, compassion, and tolerance. The practitioners strive for a virtuous life.
The goal was to eliminate them from Chinese society.
Danger was lurking around every corner.
If we were detected by the authorities, we would be incarcerated.
There could have been extermination camps in different places.
Why did you check my health?
The donor was tied with ropes.
Killing a person is like gutting a hole.
There's been a far larger slaughter of practitioners of Falun Gong for their organs than we had originally estimated.
There
is no point in living. I have no way out.
When we get to heaven, we will see each other again.
我希望这样的事情在人类永远不要再发生。